Do you know how terrifying a level 12 wind really is? Level 0. No wind. Smoke from a campfire rises slowly, straight into the air. Level 1. Light air. Smoke begins to tilt slightly, just enough to reveal the wind's direction. Level 2. A gentle breeze. Leaves begin to stir and you can hear them brushing against each other. Level 3. A mild breeze. Tall grass sways constantly, flags fully unfold and flutter. Level 4. A moderate wind. Paper and dust lift from the ground. If you don't want to eat dirt, you'd better keep your mouth closed. Level 5. A fresh breeze. Smaller trees begin to sway and ripples appear on inland waters. Level 6. Strong wind. Large trees start to shake. Power lines begin to hum. Holding an umbrella becomes difficult. Level 7. Gale force wind. Walking with the wind, it feels like someone is pushing you forward. Walking against it, it's as if an invisible wall blocks your path. Level 8. Violent wind. Small branches snap easily. If you're light enough, you may feel almost lifted. Level 9. Severe gale. Roof tiles are torn away. Large branches break apart. Level 10. Storm force wind. Buildings suffer serious damage. Trees can be ripped out by the roots. Level 11. Violent storm. This usually happens at sea. Towering waves and winds can swallow a small fishing boat in seconds. Level 12. Hurricane force. Rare on land. Absolutely devastating. So here's the question. What's the strongest wind you've ever experienced? Share your story in the comments.